Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. The following video is for class 1, subject General Science, chapter 7, Our Body, part 1. Now, in the part 1 of this lesson, if you take out your textbook to page number 63, you can see that we learned what are the different parts of our body, what are the different parts of our body, and what do we use those parts of our body for. Like for running, we use our legs. To pick up something, we use our hands. Then when we grow older, we grow taller and bigger, right? Then in page number 64, we can see that we did a small activity to understand what are the different main parts of our body. We did the activity of labeling the different parts of our body, right? Now there is one let's think activity in page number 64 in your textbook. All the body parts work together to do any activity, right? Without we are all dependent on all the parts of our body. We cannot independently work only the hands or only the legs. If you move your if you're running and you move your legs, you move your hands also, like that. Do you know which part of the body we use when we run? Hips, thighs, knees, calf, ankle, feet all together when we run, right? Now name which body part you see when you are reading. When you are reading, what are the body parts that you use? You use your eyes, you use your hands, you use your mouth. That is what you have to write in the space given. Hand, eyes and mouth. Then for eating, what are the organs do you use for you eating? Mouth and your hands, right? M-O-U-T-H, mouth, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Then climbing. To climb up, what all do you use? You use your hands, you use your legs, right? Yes. So moving on, in page number 65, uh, here they have given a face and they have labeled all the different parts of in the face. Now here in the picture you can see human face part. Forehead means your forehead, hair, then eyebrow, eyes, nose, mouth, chin and cheeks. Now when I say the part name, can you please touch your parts and show it to your parents? Yes, first is forehead. Where is your forehead? Right. Then eyebrows, eye. Then your nose. Where is your mouth? Where's your chin and cheek? Now you know what are the different body parts, different parts in your face, right? We have the hair also, which adds to the attraction of our face. We look beautiful when we have good quality hair, right? Now you all know that we have mouth, no? So what is that inside the mouth? We have a tongue and we have teeth. We have a set of teeth, right? Babies have no teeth when they are born. Small babies, when they are born, they don't have teeth. Okay, so the very small babies, when they take birth, the babies till 6 months, up to their life of 6 months, they don't have any teeth. Once they are 6 months, the teeth start showing up when the babies are around 6 months old. When the babies are 6 months old, the teeth start showing up. Small teeth from the lower jaw and the upper jaw starts coming out and out. Now when this all these teeth come out uh, for a baby, that is called the milk teeth. Now the teeth, now from 6 months it will start growing. As soon as the baby is 6 months, the first teeth start showing up and all the teeth start growing, and the first set of teeth which the baby gets is called the milk teeth. Now this milk teeth is temporary teeth, okay? It is not a permanent teeth. The milk teeth is permanent teeth and we have only 20 in number. 10 on the upper jaw and 10 on the lower jaw. It is called the milk teeth or temporary teeth. Temporary, temporary teeth. Temporary teeth or milk teeth. How many temporary teeth or milk teeth do we have? 20. This is the first set of teeth any baby, you, me, anybody have. We have this first set of teeth. It is only 20 in number. But in adults, there are how many teeth, how many set of teeth they have? Sorry, how many teeth do they have? 32 permanent teeth. Okay, so the first set of teeth is only 20, but the second set of teeth, the permanent set of teeth, it will be 32 in number. Now, milk's teeth start falling off one by one when the child is around 6 years old. Now, you are all around 5 or you might be around 6, right? So from this year and the next year, all your teeth will start falling off and new teeth will start growing. That is why the teeth that you have now, it is called the temporary teeth. It's not permanent. It only is there for 6 years. One by one, it will start falling and new teeth will come in its place. Okay, the teeth will already be present inside your in your jaws. Okay, the permanent teeth will push out the temporary teeth and the permanent teeth will come out after once you're 6 years old. Now 5 to 6 years. Now this year or the next year, it will start falling off and the new set of teeth will start growing. So that new set of teeth is called the permanent teeth. The permanent teeth appears once the temporary teeth has fallen off. After each teeth, it is not like the set of teeth will fall and the new set will fall. No, one by one, if one teeth falls, there the new permanent teeth will come. Then again one more teeth will fall, then the new permanent teeth will come. Okay, it does not happen overnight. Okay, one day you wake up without teeth and then next day you get all your permanent teeth. No, it does not happen like that. One by one it will fall and one by one it will start growing. So we have 32 permanent teeth. How many milk teeth did we have? We have 20 milk teeth. You can count also now in your own mouth. Touch your tongue to your each teeth, and if you count, you will have 20 teeth only. But when you become an adult after 6 years, I think from 3 to 4 years, you will have all these teeth falling and new permanent teeth will start growing. If you ask your parents, they can show you all the 32 permanent teeth which is present in their mouth. Okay, 32 permanent teeth is for adults. Understood? Now this is what you have to understand about the milk teeth and the permanent teeth, or the temporary teeth and the permanent teeth. Now there is something called wisdom teeth. Now we have the teeth called wisdom teeth. We get wisdom teeth between the age of 17 to 25 years. Between the age of 17 to 20, that is the last set of 4 teeth which will form in your mouth. Here you can see that last 4 are there, no? The blue color, the colored teeth, they are the wisdom teeth. They are called wisdom teeth as we are considered to be wise by that age. When you are old enough, like 17 to 25 years, that time you will get this wisdom teeth. Till then you will have only 28 teeth. Okay, till the age of 17 you will have the only 28 teeth. Then after 25 years you will have 32 permanent teeth. You can check with your parents in their own jaws. They will have 32 sets of teeth. Next is the sense organs. What do you understand by sense organs, children? Sense organs means the organs in our body parts which help us in knowing the outside world. The body parts that help us in knowing the outside world. What are the body parts that help you to know the outside body parts? It is the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin, which we'll be learning more about in the next video. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep learning. Please read the textbook with your parents. If the words are a little bigger than what you have learned before, so read the textbook, do the exercises in your textbook, take the help of your parents and do it, children. Thank you.